Friends, welcome to ABC Real Bar Bhanu channel. Today I am Anshu Kaur of class 5th. I am here to discuss chapter 21, A New Dawn. This is a chapter of EVS class 5th. This video is beneficial for Army Public School students. In this video we are going to discuss first new terms of this lesson. Second, pick the correct answer of this lesson. Third, fill in the blanks of this lesson. Fourth, one-word answer of this lesson. And at last, we are going to discuss short and long question answer of this lesson. First, we will discuss short question answers and then we will discuss long. Friends, इस वीडियो से पहले हम लोगों ने EVS चैप्टर सीरीज के 20 वीडियोस की एक्सरसाइज डिस्कस की है। आप उन्हें देखना ना भूलें क्योंकि EVS चैप्टर सीरीज एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण है। और हमारी वीडियोस को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए जिससे वो भी EVS चैप्टर सीरीज का बेनिफिट उठा सकें। फ्रेंड्स, आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगेगा हमें कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं। अगर आप में से कोई भी न्यू व्यूअर है जो पहली बार इस चैनल पर आए हैं, प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें जिससे हमारे आने वाले सभी वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, बिना कुछ देर किए वीडियो की शुरुआत करते हैं। फर्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस न्यू टर्म्स ऑफ दिस लेसन। पार्लियामेंट, इट इज अ नाउन व्हिच मींस law making body. Second, LT governor. It is a noun which means lieutenant governor is the head of a union territory. Third, multi-party. It is a noun which means many political parties. Fourth, dissolve. It is a verb which means to formally and a parliament. Fifth, representative or delegate. Both are nouns which means someone who has been chosen to speak for or make decisions for someone else. Sixth, territory is a noun which means land that is owned or controlled by a particular country, ruler or military force. 7. Cabinet. It is a noun which means the politicians with important positions in a government who meet to make decisions or advise the leader of the government. 8. Council. It is a noun which means a group of people that are chosen to make rules, laws, or decisions or to give advice. 9. Administration. It is a noun which means the government of a country at a particular time. Last word of new terms is judiciary. It is a noun which means all the judges in a country who as a group form part of a system of government. Friends, आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लग रहा है आप हमें कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं। Let us move on to the correct answer. Question number 1. The government at the center is called the dash. There are 3 types of government: local self-government, central government, and national government. Let's see. Answer of this question is central government. Question number 2. The members of Rajya Sabha are elected for a period of dash years. How many members are there in Rajya Sabha? Please write your answer in the comment box. So let's see the answer of this question. Answer of this question is 6 years. The members of Rajya Sabha are elected for a period of 6 years. After every 6 years, the members of Rajya Sabha are elected again. Let's move on to question number 3. The Lok Sabha has dash members. Answer of this question is 552. The Lok Sabha has 552 members. Question number 4. Any Indian citizen who is dash years or above can vote. Answer of this question is any Indian citizen who is 18 years or above can vote. Last question of tick the correct answer is the highest court of justice is the dash. Answer of this question is Supreme Court. Let us move on, fill in the blanks. Question number 1. The dash government makes laws and governs the whole nation. Answer of this question is central. The central government makes laws and governs the whole nation. Let's move on to question number 2. The chief minister is head by dash. Every state head has its chief minister and governor. Let's see its answer. Answer of this question is governor. Chief minister is held by governor. Let's move on to question number 3. Members of the Legislative Assembly are called dash. The members of Legislative Assembly are called dash. Answer of this question is MLA. Members of the Legislative Assembly are called MLA. Question number 4. The Rajya Sabha is headed by the dash. The Lok Sabha is headed by the dash. Write your answer in the comment box. Let us see. Answer of this question is Vice President. The Rajya Sabha is headed by the Vice President of India. Question number 5. Election for Lok Sabha are held after every dash years. Answer of this question is 5 years. Election for Lok Sabha are held after every 5 years. Let's move on to one word answer. The present President of India is Ramnath Kovind. Question number 2. The present Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi. Third, the present Vice President of India is Venkaiah Naidu. Fourth, the Speaker of India is Om Birla. And last, LT Governor of Delhi is Anil Baijal. Let us move on to question and answer. Short question answer. What does a 12th government consist of? Answer of this question is the central government and the state government. A 12th government consists of the state government and the central government. Question number 2. Who conducts the election in India? Answer of this question is Election Commission. The Election Commission conducts the election in India. Last question of short question answer is name the 2 houses of the parliament. Answer of this question is first, Lok Sabha or lower house. Second, Rajya Sabha or upper house. There are 2 houses of parliament. Their names are Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. They are also known as Lok Sabha is also known as lower house, whereas Rajya Sabha is also known as upper house. Let's move on long question answer. Question number 1. How is the central government formed? Answer of this question is people elect their leaders belonging to different political parties. This is called the multi-party system. Different parties put up their candidates for election. The party that gets the maximum seats forms the government. Their leader is appointed as the Prime Minister. Let's move on to question number 2. How is President elected? Answer of this question is the President is the head of the country. Members of the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and the state legislative assemblies. What are the members of state legislative assemblies are called? Yes, they are known as MLAs. So, members of the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and MLAs elect the President. He is elected for a period of 5 years. Let us move on. Question number 3 of long question answer. Write a few lines on local administration. Answer of this question is, first one, at the village level, the administration is run by the village panchayat, whereas the municipal corporation and the municipal committee take care of the needs of the people living in the cities and towns. What are the towns? Write your answer in the comment box. Friends, इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए. Watching this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. For more such videos, press bell icon. Friends, EVS chapter series एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण है, तो प्लीज आप हमारी वीडियोस देखना ना भूलें और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें, जिससे हमारे आने वाले सभी वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके. तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर. थैंक यू.